But that's not all. It's got this one as well. A Toshiba. And this one, hold on, I have to put this down whilst I open this up. Looks brand spanking new, comes with the charger, and this does indeed work. So put a little bit of charge into her. So I wonder if she'll power on now. Might need to plug her in again. But yeah, she works. Here's the specs. We have HD 1080p 5x optical zoom, touch 10 megapixel camera, and yeah, it's not bad. Okay, so I was in course today, and we're doing a bit of spring cleaning. Also, there's an ollie, psst, psst, psst. And they actually gave me two things for free. As soon as I seen them, I'm like, yeah, I'm taking these home with me. So the first one, they're both basically the same thing, but different brands. So first things first, I have this Panasonic HC V10 digital video camera. Let me just, yeah, need to edit that out. But here it is. Does not work because the battery probably needs to be charged, except it's one of these old Star cameras. You can see here the big honking battery that I'd have to take out and put in a charger, but it'll do as like a display piece. And as well, this is the old, like it's no, that's where I'd have to put like a tape in or something like that. But yeah, like it'll do as the display piece. Oliver. What you sniffing at? Eh. Good morning. Oh no. Just realized that's going to be a little bit lower down. I'm not sure if I'm ever going to, switch to do it in the past weeks on the the camera now, because I'm not even sure how the sound quality is going to be. So that's why I'm recording this clip before I go and transfer it off onto the laptop. So I'm actually looking at myself on the viewfinder here. So I'm going to flip that over. So yeah, welcome properly to In the Past Week, number 75. Not a lot planned this week. The usual course Monday to Friday, then Saturday nothing, and then Sunday locals apparently, even though I expected there to be no locals this week. So yeah, also editing the Yu-Gi-Oh video that I shot. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. But the reason it's actually, see, this is something I can do now actually with this. Where is my phone? It's in my pocket. It is currently 21 minutes past 9, and normally I would be in course by now, but because today I'm actually in an hour's time, I will be getting my injections, being taught my injections for the arthritis. So I know exactly what medication I am going to be on, called Cosentext. this thing right here. I have to. I read a bit of it, but I haven't read it since because I've just been super busy. But yeah, that's basically the plan. Don't know how long I'm going to be in there for. So then after, if I get out and with enough time, obviously I'm going to head back into course. If not, I'll just come home. We'll see what humor I'm in afterwards and how I feel afterwards. But yeah, I'm going to actually take me other medication that I'm taking up until this starts to work, and then yeah, then I'm going to continue to get ready, and in about an hour's time get a bus, or a half hour's time. No, we'll see. But yeah, it's time to see how this looks. Okay, so I actually have this on my tripod, my spare tripod. No, not the ring light there. Because I kind of decided, like, it's not bad. The sound quality isn't bad. However, it's obviously a bit grainy here because, the bedroom isn't the best well lit. So let me throw on the ring light. But I might actually, I have purposes now for this that I just thought of. Filming the Yu-Gi-Oh stuff, the duels, test hands, deck profiles. Well, no, the deck profiles and test hands, maybe I'll have to use my actual phone to make it look a little bit better. But filming actual duels on this might be worth a shout. So yeah, but I have 14 minutes until my bus. 12 minutes until my bus. And as you can probably hear, I have a screaming cat to go feed. So I'm going to go do that, and then I want to get ready to go. And so that means for the rest of today, I'll be switching back to the phone to vlog. But yeah, let me know what you actually think of the camera. If I can actually stop it. Round 1 and paired with Jamie and Round 1 and paired with Jamie, and I won the die roll and optical first. And I opened the jankiest of hand. So let's see what I can do with it. I start with Austin. So it is currently 26 degrees at half 8 at night. And yeah, that hence why I've taken off the t-shirt because I was out in that most of the day, because obviously I was in course, which that room heats up like a sauna. Also, this beard definitely needs to be trimmed. Um, and then of course I went and done my food shopping today because since I didn't do it yesterday. So instead of enjoying the sun, I'm here playing Fallout New Vegas. Where are you?
Do you mind shutting up? You're very loud. I know you want food. I'm getting you food.
Oh, I left that open all night. At least safe to know that he won't go anywhere. Alright. Alright, that's dipshit fed. And that is going to wrap up this vlog. I'm not going to hop on camera just to film for Sunday because obviously I want to do the Yu-Gi-Oh vlog, and plus as well, it's not as hot as it was yesterday. It is currently still though 22 degrees, and I have yet to get dressed. Actually, sorry, it's got up to 23 degrees, but it feels like 25. Um, so I'm literally about to hop in the shower and then get ready. But literally, I've been up since about 7 o'clock. So I've basically just been dicking around on my phone, playing a bit of Fallout New Vegas, and then editing this vlog here. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We are now at just finished the halfway point of these in the past weeks. So there's only 5 more to go for the summer edition. Um, and yeah, I'll catch you all in the next vlog. I'll see you all in the past week.